Have you ever heard of a beef and broccoli bowl? Have you ever heard the brand Marie Callender? Well, if you haven't, I am going to show you. Here is the good old beef and broccoli bowl by Marie Callender. This is a really good if you really love like beef and broccoli or chicken and broccoli, because it comes with tender beef with broccoli in a savory sauce over rice. And it's only 17 grams of protein, and here's what it looks like. So you basically got your rice and then your beef and then your broccoli. This is easy to fix. You can do it in the oven or microwave. I usually do microwave because I like taking these with me to lunch when I'm at work. Sometimes I'll do the oven if I fix these at home, but most of the time I do these in the microwave because I normally just fix these when I'm at home, when I don't, when I just want something quick to fix. But you could do it either way. I personally never tried the oven. So if you would like to try how it tastes in the oven, or if you do try it in the oven, please let me know. It's only 360 calories. But this is a really good go-to meal. This is really fulfilling as well, especially if you eat this and another item is like, if you eat this and another like snack or something with it, this would definitely keep you full. You would not be hungry. Like, it'll keep you full for a good few hours. Well, depending on I don't know how fast y'all get hungry, how often you eat or snack, but this is a good fulfilling meal if you're wanting to take it like for lunch or dinner, or if you're just craving like a slight snack but you don't want like chips or cookies or biscuits or whatever y'all call it in the UK. This is a really good meal. I buy these all the time. Like, all I usually buy is frozen meals to eat, to take with me for work, for lunch, or to take with me, or to eat while I'm sitting here around the house and I just want something quick to pop in the microwave. Now, I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna eat it right now. But basically, when you open it, it's gonna come with a plastic, and you can see the rice, broccoli, and beef on top, and it comes with the plastic. You can either poke holes in the plastic, or you could pull the plastic back a little bit, then put it in the microwave. However you want to do it, but I technically don't remove the plastic like completely when I put it in the microwave. But you can either, like I said, you can either poke holes in the plastic, or you could tear it off a little bit so that way some of the heat from the microwave, when it helps warm it up, it'll go through. But let me know what you think about these Marie Callender meals. They come in different ones. So if you would like a good old Marie Callender, all you got to do is look for the Marie Callender here, and then look for which one you want. Like the Marie Callender will be at the top, and then the meal name will be on the other side. So that way it's easy to read, big print and all. But yeah, these are my go-to everyday meals. Like I said, for breakfast, not breakfast, but for dinner, lunch, like if I just want something quick and I don't feel like cooking, this will be your go-to. This will be, go to your supermarket right now, go, stop, just playing. You probably can't go right now, but the next time that you do go, please make sure you go check out your frozen food section, because that's what this will be, in the frozen food section. You know how like they will have a frozen breakfast aisle section, and then they'll have your frozen food section. Go to your frozen food section and look for these. If you can't remember the name, beef and broccoli bowl, just look for the brand Marie Callender, because you may not want the beef and broccoli. Like, they have different ones. They have chicken Alfredo. They have shrimp. I forgot what it was called, but they got one with shrimp. They got one with, they just got different ones. So go out there, find it, see which one you would like, and purchase it. And you have to try these. If you had these before, please comment down below and let me know what you rated or how well did you like it. But if you have any other further questions, oh, and another thing, if you do try these in the oven, please let me know what they taste like, because like I said, I never tried them in the oven, even though clearly on the back it says you could put them in your oven or you could put them in your microwave. So the oven is right here, the microwave is right there. So if you do the oven, please let me know what do you think. Please let me know, how does it taste in the oven? Does it taste better than it does in the microwave? Just let me know your thoughts in below about this food item. But it does say tender ginger at the top, and it doesn't really, I don't really taste ginger in it. So I guess they mean that, I guess they're meaning by the chicken, because like it says tender ginger, but it doesn't really taste like ginger. Like you might taste like the tenderness of the chicken. I mean of the beef. I keep saying chicken. Of the beef, but you're not gonna really taste the ginger. So please be mindful to let me know, what do you think about this meal, this beef and broccoli bowl by Marie Callender's. I don't know what kind of grocery stores you have there, but I found this at Walmart, Publix, and Kroger. So those are like the 3 stores you could find them. Like I said, I don't know what stores y'all have near you or in your country, but once again, Walmart, Publix, and Kroger sell these. It's best bet to get them from Kroger, because that's where I mostly get them from the most, because usually when I go to my Walmart or Publix, they never have them. So Kroger would probably be the best bet. But wherever you go to get your grocery items, just look out for this meal, because this meal is so good. But if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and yay!